There are many different options when it comes to choosing a binding style for book printing. Here are 4 popular types to consider. Saddle-stitched books are a low-cost option, ideal for brochures, magazines, and booklets that need a clean, simple finish. This style of binding draws together the cover and text pages and secures them with 2 stitched wires through the spine. Perfect bound books are a sleek option, great for thicker brochures, catalogs, and paperback-style books with a professional square spine. Perfect binding draws the text into a block before being inserted into a printed wraparound cover, bonded securely with glue. Case-bound books are a premium option, perfect for hard-wearing books like annual reports and hardback publications. The text block is drawn together with end papers and securely attached into a hardboard-mounted cover. Wire-bound books are a practical option, ideal for manuals and documents that need a functional finish. The cover and text sections are collated together and secured with a spiral wire along the edge. Remember, a great book starts with a great first impression. The right binding helps your project feel polished and brings your story to life.